Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to the goat's farm. Continue watching and I want to show you this pansy. Now continue watching.
व्यापार हुन्छ के हुन्छ उनीहरुको हैन त्यो हिसाबले यहाँ राखेको छ त्यो चाहिँ अनि धेरै मान्छेहरु चाहिँ यहाँ बस्ने चाहिँ ठुलठुलो घरहरु चाहिँ छ नि यो सरकारी घरहरु हो त्यसमा चाहिँ अब जसको घर हुँदैन नि अनि उनीहरु भाडामा बस्नेहरु हुन्छ के त्यो चाहिँ अब प्राइभेट भाडामा महँगो हुन्छ सरकारी भाडामा सस्तो हुन्छ के तिनीहरुलाई चाहिँ प्राइभेट सरकारीमा बस्यो भने प्राइभेटमा बस्यो भने अहिले यहाँ बजार कौन कति लिन्छ सरकारीमा चाहिँ 300 400 एकदमै सस्तोमा हुन्छ के त्यो चाहिँ प्राय सरकारले त्यस्तो ठुलठुलो घरहरु बनाइदिन्छ त्यो चाहिँ प्राइभेटलाई पनि बनाउन दिन्छतिर चाहिँ अब 16 वर्ष 15 वर्ष लाग्ने बित्तिकै तिनीहरु चाहिँ आमा बाउसित छुट्टिएर बस्न जान्छ के त्यस्तो घरहरु आउनु भएको छैन यहाँ है किन नआएको त मैले सोधेको मात्रै हस्पिटल जाने बाटो यही त यो छोरा छोरी जाने यही त तपाईँलाई त आएको छैन अनि यही त हो नि पिक वी आर on motorway now
Anysa, tell us, where are we going?
We're going to Farm Lane.
What are you going to see in farm?
I'm gonna see the farm inside.
What are you going to see?
I
Sheep?
think I'm gonna see all of the animals.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of like a zoo, so I don't know. Good.
Are you tired?
No. I'm not tired.
Are you excited then?
Yes. I'm just bored.
And bored? Where is your toy? Oh, what's her name?
Sparkles.
Sparkle. Do you love her?
Yes. Can you see the horn? She's a unicorn. Can you see that?
Yeah.
And she have a glittery stripe. See her? It's right here. Do you see it?
Hmm.
I made a dress like this. Look how I made her dress. I'm holding the dress for it. Did you see it?
You need to speak up, Anysa.
I have to speak louder?
Yes.
But why is it bumpy ride?
Because the road is bumpy, that's why.
I can't hear you.
Because the road is bumpy. Tai, would you like to say a few words? Where are we today?
We are very close to Rumford, but it's actually in Upminster Goat Farm. Very nice place. Anysa, isn't it? It's really nice.
I see lamb.
Where is it? Huh?
There.
What's that? Oh wow, yeah.
Mommy, this is the easy way to do it.
You can't go inside. It's locked. You see? It's
I
locked.
couldn't.
You can see from there.
I can climb.
Yeah, but you can't go inside.
It's like I see the butt. I see the butt. I see the butt.
Are you enjoying it, Anysa?
Yes, but I want to see more animals.
You can't go inside, so you can't really see.
Yeah, I can kind of see cows. Kind of like cow. I want to see kind of cows. Is it big? I wish I can go in. I want to see the animals.
Hmm?
I wish I can go in because I want to see more animals.
Okay, go then.
No.
Okay, Anysa, you want to say something?
Guys, can you see the lambs? It kind of look like baby cows.
It's a lamb, Anysa.
Yeah, but kind of look like baby cows. It's cub.
It's a baby lamb.
Baby lamb. I wish I can go. Oh yeah, it's one of them coming.
Call him,
He's
call him.
shaked. He's shaked.
Call him.
Here he goes. I know the name him. So.
Okay.
Flowery. Flowery can feel me.
It's a lovely place. So much greenery.
I wish I can see some more animals.
Go and talk to Uncle, Anysa. Go and talk to your uncle.
Guys, don't I do a race? Guys, I'll share. I'm fast.
Yeah. Ask Uncle if he likes the place.
रेस गर्ने ल म भिडियो खिचिदिन्छु ल ड्याडी ड्याडीसित गर्नु म भिडियो खिचिदिन्छु
Guys, come. Guys, I see the chicken still. I can still see the chicken. Please like and share. Don't forget to click the bell button. Thanks for watching. Bye.